Hello there, my friends. So we're here on the iPhone, and somehow I'm involved in a group text. All right, so it's cool. It's a group text, but they're so excited because like this place that we know is in a movie that Tom Hanks made, and that's cool and it's great. But like I know that now. Okay, now there's 14 people in this room, and they're all gonna respond, right? So I'm gonna keep getting these alerts over and over. So how do you stop that, right? So how do you stop that? So I don't want any alerts. So go click on the group of people at the top. Click on that, and then you'll get this screen here, and it'll pop up. And one of the things you can do is hit hide alerts, right? So hide alerts. Make sure you turn that on. If you hide the alerts, then it'll stop alerting you. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. And if this was any help, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one. Thanks.